welcome to my channel. It is Dollar Tree Saturdays because I like to share with you guys what I gathered up at the Dollar Tree during the week. Now I have a ton of wish list items, but my store does not have hardly anything, so I have to go visit another Dollar Tree, but I just haven't been really wanting to go to a lot of Dollar Trees lately. I don't know why. I'm just kind of waiting for them to get rid of the Easter stuff and bring on the summer stuff because I want to start doing that. And it doesn't help that it snowed again today. It's like April. Today's actually Friday, but it's like it snowed outside. I'm ready for spring. I want to go outside and I want to do more DIYs to share with you guys that involved outside. I'm just saying. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So here it goes. The thing I got is I got this nice little tray. Husband's like, whoa, you got this at the Dollar Tree? And I'm like, yeah. I mean, it's a nice tray. So what I have in my bathroom is I got like my makeup, like my hairsprays and stuff all over the place, and I kind of want to keep them a little bit organized. So what I ended up getting is I got this cabinet shelf, and I'm going to probably make a DIY video with you guys. I'm just going to try to find some other items to also make with this, but I was just going to do this, but I was going to like spray paint it like all silver. So I might just leave this silver, but I was going to spray paint this silver, and I thought this would be a good shelf to put all my like hairspray and perfumes and stuff on here, and then I still have room to put other things underneath. So you guys will have to stay tuned for that. It's going to be a very simple DIY, but I kind of want to do a makeup, I kind of want to do a bathroom DIY organization video with like different ideas of how to organize your bathroom. If you guys are interested in something like that, let me know. I have a couple ideas, or I can just make them all separate videos. It's up to you guys, but there was that. The husband was with me for this, and he really likes this Dermacell. He's like, that's really good lotion. That's really good lotion. He just likes it. This is stuff that we've gotten for years. But I mean, it's a very simple lotion. I like all the girly, smelly things. He's just plain and simple. So I'm like, whatever. If you want to get that, you can get that. I needed these badly for both of our cars. It is the glass wipes. And what I want to do is put them inside our cars because like our windows get like all weird, and we have a GPS so that like you can see the suction cup thing, and then when your windows are dirty, like they fog up easier. So I just want to have this, plus I have a kid who likes to put food on the windows in the car, and they're just nasty. So we have two vehicles. I thought let's just keep these in here. I'm not sure that this thing will sit really well, but I usually put these in like a Ziploc baggie just to keep them fresh and more moist. So, and these are pretty good. We use the different kind for the TVs and the electronics in our house, and they work well. I'm like, why not? For $1, why not? And husband's like, whatever, if you want to get that, you can get that. I found cheese nips, which I was pretty excited for. These were just the cheddar cheddar flavor, and for $1, you can't go wrong. I love snacking on these. I bought these a while back ago, and like when I work in the morning, I wake up at like 5 in the morning, and I have a breakfast, but I usually bring a snack with me at work, and I try not to eat candy. I try to have, like lately I've been eating bananas and grapes, but I'm like, I like to have crackers or something every once in a while, and I'm like, where's my cheese nips? Well, the husband ate it and hid it on me because he knows how badly I love my cheese nips. So I'm like, I'm taking these to work with me, and he's not having any. So couldn't go wrong with $1. He saw this on the shelf, and he's just like, I gotta get this. It is just plain pound cake. It doesn't expire for like a month and a half, but he loves this. He like saw it, he like just bolted to it. Like when I find something that I really want, I bolt to it. But he saw this and he's like, gotta have it. I'm like, okay, it's just pound cake, but whatever. And then he's like, well, can I have some? I says, no, I gotta do my Dollar Tree video. You guys know that. I love to share with you guys what I get, and I want to get more food items at the Dollar Tree. I really do, but you know, I'm just kind of weird about, I don't know. There's nothing against Dollar Tree food. I have a name brand in my head, even though it doesn't matter if it's a name brand or not. Certain foods you have to have name brands, but I'm working on it. But he definitely enjoys that. Now, one thing I was so excited for, and I've been on the hunt for these, and I wish I got more, are the potato stick classics. If you guys love these kind, I love this stuff. I got these one time, and both my husband and my son ate them. I barely even got to eat any. That's why I wished I got more. But I love these. I love potato sticks, or is what they call them. But I love these. These taste really good, and that is a repeat buy that I like to do. Now, I don't recall ever seeing anything like this, but this is like a belt hanger, and I thought that's kind of cute. I'm not sure. I only wear like one belt. Literally, I have a ton of belts, but I only wear one belt because it's just plain and simple. But I thought this would be kind of cute. I mean, it says it's got 11 hooks, and I thought it's purple, it's fuzzy. They had other ones, and I was trying to figure out like what I could do with this. But I thought, you know what, maybe I could hang some of my like wreaths up or something with this or something. I was trying to figure out what ideas, but I thought, you know what, I'm gonna keep an eye out for this and see what I can use with it. It might be for a DIY, it might not be. I ended up getting this. Now, a lot of you guys are going crazy over these mermaid pillows. Like, I want one, but I have a ton of pillows. And I saw this. This is a mermaid, like, little keychain. I thought it was really cute. They had it in red with silver, I think, and then they had it, like, in a turquoise green. But I'm like, I have to get this. I like playing with stuff like this, and for $1, I cannot go wrong with that. But yeah, it turns to silver. So purple, silver, purple, and then it's got purple on the back. It's just called the Plush Two-Tone Sequin Charm, so I thought this could be like a little thing just to play with while I'm out and about. So, got that. And then I found some candles. My store stocked up on candles, and I'm like, ooh, what ones can we get? So the first one I found is the Honeydew Melon. It's an okay smell. I really don't know what honeydew smells like, but it smells good. I mean, I love these kind of candles, so I got the Honeydew Melon. Now, this is guava and raspberry. I do like raspberry smell, and it smells actually pretty good. I wish I should get more of these. I'm gonna light this one next. I have one that I'm finishing off, and then I'm gonna try to light this one up. And if I really like the after smell, I'm gonna get more. But I liked it so much that I got 2 of them. I know I'm going to smell this one too. Ah, it smells so good. I love that one. The next one I got is Sun-Drenched Mangoes. It doesn't really smell, it doesn't have a strong smell to it, but I'm like, you know what? For $1, you can't go wrong, because sometimes they smell differently than what they light as. So I got that. I ended up finding some new ones that I've never seen before. They got a cork top to it. But this is called Seaside Marina Bay. I don't know if it's supposed to smell like a beach or something, but, you know, it'll do. It'll do. And then the next one I got is the Seaside Ocean Mist. And I wonder if it's supposed to smell like the ocean. I mean, they got, like, you know, a summer smell to them, so got to try that. And then we have 3 bathrooms, and my husband washes or brushes his teeth, and sometimes other things. Brushes his teeth, and so does my son. So I thought, you know what, this is cute. It's just plain and simple. I like it. I thought this could go in our bathroom that's just downstairs, so if he wants to brush his teeth, we can just put it right in there instead of laying it on the countertop. Like I said, it's just plain and simple, and for $1, and I liked it that it still had the thing around it. They just had them just sitting like right there, so I'm like, I'll get that. But yeah, that was my Dollar Tree haul. It wasn't a lot of great items. I mean, I was excited to get some new candles, and I was excited to see this. Like, my store got a bunch of those in, but I have some items that I'm always searching for, but my area just never gets any of the good stuff. But I'm on a hunt. I might have to go make a trip somewhere to go to a different Dollar Tree, because I just want to look for new items that I can never find. But you guys know the drill. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so I know you guys enjoy it. I try to share with you guys a Dollar Tree haul every Saturday. I have tons of DIYs in mind. I just don't like the weather, but I try to show one for you guys at least once a week, and majority of it I like to show Dollar Tree hauls or Dollar Tree DIYs. So let me know what you guys think of like the bathroom makeup organization. I have a couple ideas, But otherwise, if you guys want to see other DIYs from Dollar Tree, if you have any in mind, please let me know. I just found a couple more ideas that I saw floating, and I'm like, ooh, I can make something with that. But you guys know the drill. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And I will see you guys all later for another Dollar Tree haul. See you guys later. What'd you do? Bye-bye.